Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we'll do is we will randomly go and solve a question paper, okay? So I want to choose from 2025 10th standard maths paper. So there are many sets. So I'll go with set 1. We'll start with set 1 and we'll see if we can do more sets, okay, in the future. So the point is, I want to tell you how simple it is to solve the questions here. Okay, how simple the techniques are. Okay, so now we will start with section A. So we are given 3x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0, and alpha beta are the roots such that alpha plus beta is minus 2 by 3. Here we have to find the value of k. Okay, so we are given, so the first question is 3x square plus 6x plus k is equal to 0, and alpha or beta are the roots, and alpha plus alpha beta is minus 2 by 3. Okay, so we know this identity. So we know this theory of ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation which is equal to 0, and alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation. Then we know that sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots is equal to c by a. So now bringing this to this form, here we have now sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, here minus of b, which is 6 by a, and product of roots is c by a, which means k by 3. Now we already know that sum and product of equal to minus 2 by 3. So minus 6 by 3 plus k by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So since the denominators are same, we don't need them. K minus 6 is equal to minus 3. K is equal to 6 plus 6. K is equal to 4. Therefore the answer is D, option D, which is 4. Okay, now we'll go to the second question. Given that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of pair of linear equations 2x minus 3y plus a is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus b is equal to 0. Okay, then option A is equal to 2b, 2a is equal to b, a plus 2b is equal to 0, 2a plus b is equal to 0. Okay, this looks simple. Okay, we will substitute the given values in the two equations. 2 of x is 1 minus 3 of y is 2 plus a is equal to 0. The second therefore becomes 2 minus 6 plus a is equal to 0, and a is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4, which means a is equal to 4. The second equation, if we substitute the same values, 2 of 1 plus 3 of 2 minus b is equal to 0. So 2 plus 6 minus b is equal to 0. B is equal to 8. So since we have this, now we can say that B is equal to 2 times of A, since it is equal to 4 of 2. That's it. We'll go to the next one. Okay, we'll go to the third question. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points P and Q lies on. Okay, first we are given P, which is -4, 5, and Q is 4, 6. First we have to find the midpoint of this line segment. Okay, how do we find the midpoint in a coordinate geometry? It's this simple: x coordinate plus x coordinate by 2 and y plus y by 2. So -4 plus 4 by 2, 5 plus 6 by 2. Here 4 minus 4, which is 0. 6 plus 5, 11 by 2, which is 5.5. So okay, now this, the midpoint lies on, because since x coordinate is 0, that point lies on y axis. So the answer will be option B, y axis. Okay, we'll go to the fourth question. If theta is an acute angle and 7 plus 4 sine theta is equal to 9, then the value of theta is, okay, first we are given this equation: 7 plus 4 sine theta is equal to 9. Sine theta is equal to 9 minus 7. Sorry, 4 sine theta is equal to 9 minus 7. Sine theta is 9 minus 7, 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. If sine theta is 1 by 2, what is theta? Thus we have to know from the standard trigonometric ratios. Okay, sine 30 is 1 by 2, therefore theta is 30 degrees. If you remember the standard trigonometric ratios, that will be very easy to solve the problems. Okay, now we will go to the fifth question. So we are given tan square theta minus 1 by cos theta into secant theta. So tan square theta minus secant theta can be written as cos square, or simply cos square can be written as cos theta can be written as secant theta. So secant into secant theta, that means tan square theta minus secant square theta, which is, we know the trigonometric identity: secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So tan square minus secant square would be minus 1. That's it. Okay, now we will go to question number 6. If HCF of 98, 28 is equal to M and LCM of 98, 28 is equal to N, then the value of n minus 7M is, first we will find the HCF. Okay, 28 and 98. 28 once 28. Sorry. First we will find the HCF of 28 and 98. So 28 2 is 56, 28 3 is okay, 28 3s, 3 8s 24, 3 2s 6, 6 plus 2 84. So which means 14. 14 2 is 28. Okay, therefore 14 divides both 28 and 98, so this will be the highest common factor. And to find the LCM, 2 14s 2 49, 2 7s 14, 7 2s 14, 7 7s 49. Therefore LCM will be 2 into 7 into 2 into 7, which is 14 square 186. Okay, now we need to find n minus 7m. Here n, which is LCM, it is 196 minus 7 of m, which is 28. (196) can be written as 14 into 14 minus 28 can be written as 7 into 4, 2 into 2, 14, 14, which is equal to 0. See, this is the sixth one. Okay, now we will go to the seventh question. The tangents drawn at the extremities of a diameter of circle are. Okay, first let us draw a circle. Okay. And this is the diameter. This is the center O. Tangents drawn at the extremities of diameter are. So here we draw a tangent, and here we draw one more tangent. Okay, from the looks of it we can directly say that it is parallel. So the option is seventh, on option A, parallel. Or you can prove it by saying the tangent hits the circle. The tangent makes 90 degrees with the radius drawn to that same point from the center, and this is also 90 degrees. So we can directly say that these two lines are parallel. Okay, now we'll go to the eighth question. In triangles ABC and DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, angle F is equal to angle C, and AB is equal to 3DE. Then the two triangles are. So first we will draw triangle ABC. Okay, this is A, B and C. And we have triangle DEF such that angle B is equal to angle E, angle F is equal to angle C. So since two angles are equal, obviously the third angle is also equal. So first thing we can say that the two triangles are similar. Okay, therefore this triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and we are also given that the sides are, so DE is 3 times of AB, so this DEF is much bigger than triangle ABC, so the sizes are obviously different. So we can say that those two triangles are not congruent, just similar. So the option will be option D. The two triangles are similar but not congruent. Next we will see the ninth question. minus 1 whole power of n plus minus 1 power 8 is equal to 0. Then n is okay. So first we will solve this equation, or we will simplify it. Minus 1 plus minus 1 power of 8. 8 is an even number, so obviously the answer will be minus 1 power 8 is 1. Okay, minus 1 power of n is equal to minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 power of n is, the answer is minus 1, which means the answer will be negative. So n must be an odd number. So n can be 1 or 3, 5, 7, etc. So the option will be 9C, any odd number. Now we will go to the 10th question. Two polynomials are shown in the graph below. The number of distinct zeros of both polynomials is. Okay, first we will simplify the graph. We will draw the graph. Okay, this is x, x dash, y, y dash. The number of distinct zeros of both the polynomials is. So first we'll consider this polynomial. So it is, so we know, right, generally. Let's write an example of a polynomial equation. This is quadratic polynomial. It has two zeros. So now this graph hits the x-axis at 2 points. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Let us assume y1 is equal to plus c, and the second equation is y2 is equal to a2x2 square plus b2x2 plus c2. We'll assume the constants are also different. Okay. Now this polynomial has two zeros and this polynomial has two zeros, since it hits the x-axis at 2 points. And we can see that the 2 points are same. I mean the two zeros of the two polynomials are same. So we only have two distinct zeros. One is this one, and one is this one, and the other is this. So these two are the distinct zeros of the two polynomials. So the answer will be 10th C, 2. That's it. We'll solve the rest of the questions in the next video. Until then, see you. Have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.